What if I told you these tiny chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water? And completely change the way your stomach digests food? Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you soak chia seeds in water? At first, chia seeds look tiny, dry, and harmless. But the moment they touch water, something fascinating begins to happen. Within just a few minutes, these small seeds start absorbing water and expanding. Slowly, a gel-like coating forms around each seed, making them look like tiny floating bubbles. This happens because chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, a special type of fiber that can absorb large amounts of water. As the seeds soak, the fiber traps the water and forms a thick gel around them. When you drink soaked chia seeds, the mixture travels down your esophagus and into your stomach. Inside the stomach, the gel continues holding on to liquid and mixes with other food. Because of this thick gel texture, digestion slows down slightly. This slower digestion can help you feel full for a longer time, which is one reason chia seeds are often added to balanced diets. As the mixture moves through the intestines, the fiber in chia seeds continues doing its job. Fiber can support normal digestion and provide nutrients that gut bacteria can use. But here's something important to remember. Eating chia seeds without soaking them first can sometimes be uncomfortable because the seeds can expand quickly when they absorb moisture. That's why many people prefer soaking them in water, milk, or smoothies before eating them. Soaking chia seeds is a simple step that makes them easier to digest and easier to mix into foods like yogurt, drinks, or smoothies. And the most amazing part? All of this happens because of a tiny seed performing a powerful hydration reaction. So the next time you see chia seeds soaking in a glass of water, remember, you're watching a tiny science experiment happening right in your drink. And if you want to see what happens inside your body with other foods, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating health experiments.